Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to cut or trim audio and music right inside Telegram without needing any extra apps or software. By the end of this video, you'll know how to neatly shorten a voice message before you send it, whether you want to share only the most important part, clean up some awkward pauses, or just make your messages clearer and more polished. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open Telegram and head to the chat where you plan on sending your trimmed voice message. This might sound obvious, but it's easy to forget if you're in a rush, so double-check you're in the right conversation, whether it's with a friend, a group, or maybe even a channel. Now let's start recording. Tap and hold down the microphone icon at the bottom right of your chat screen, just like you normally would when sending a voice message. But here, where it gets interesting. Instead of simply holding down the button the entire time, you'll want to drag your finger upwards. This locks the recording in hands-free mode, so you don't have to keep pressing the screen. Pretty handy if you need a moment to gather your thoughts or move your phone around. As you're recording, keep an eye out for the little pause icon, which usually looks like a square. It might be tempting to power through your message, but don't hesitate to tap that pause button if you need to gather your words or if there's background noise you'd rather not include. When you tap pause, Telegram brings you straight into a preview mode. Here, everything you've just recorded is ready for a quick edit, no need to send it immediately. On the preview screen, you'll notice an audio waveform at the bottom, kind of like the lines or waves you see in a music editing app. At both ends of the waveform, there are little handles or sliders. Think of these like the pinchers you use to crop a photo. You can drag them left or right to select the exact part of your message you want to keep. Maybe you rambled a little at the beginning or want to cut out the last few seconds where the dog barked. Just slide those handles in toward the section that matters. Once you've adjusted the sliders, don't rush to send just yet. Tap the play button to preview your trimmed voice message. This is your chance to double-check that you haven't accidentally cut off something important or maybe left in a bit of awkward silence. If it doesn't sound quite right, no worries. Just adjust the handles again until you're happy with the result. When you're satisfied with your trimmed version, go ahead and tap the send button. That's it. Now your message will only include the most relevant part, and you've just made your communication a whole lot cleaner and more effective. And that's how easy it is to cut or trim audio messages in Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Telegram feature you'd like to learn about. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.